It's a bad man thing. See, K to the E to the K. No. K. Boss, me see every time I want to do. Job is in a time when you gotta She was wider to my gypsy girl, something to myself. She was wider. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She was wider. Keep me moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland. If you are new to the channel, definitely welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course ring the bell so you get all post notifications. Follow me on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review that I do. So this is a little bit different from the norm. I usually do synthetic wigs, and today I actually have a human hair wig, and this is coming to you by Wig of Encounters. So this is the lovely little box that it comes in, very cute packaging. This is their Indian REMY hair in 16 inches. So it has 130% density along the hairline and then 150% density throughout the rest of the wig. Shipping was really quick. I did receive this unit kind of in a timely manner. And I did receive the unit. There was no smell to it. It just kind of had like that wet hair smell, but it didn't have like a funky or a smelly odor to it. And I did wash this, just regular shampoo, and then I deep conditioned it, and I did not have too much shedding. I think I might have pulled out maybe 20 hairs after I washed it. And conditioning it, I did condition it for about 2 days in a bag, so it was definitely moisturized when I installed it. I'm very impressed. I was a little nervous that the density was going to be a little too thin, but once I washed it and finger combed it and just kind of fluffed it out, it definitely gave me the look that I wanted. As far as the hairline, here is your hairline. So it does come with baby hair around the perimeter, and this is with no leave out. And as far as cap construction, this is a very comfortable cap. I went to school today and I totally forgot I had the wig on. Really impressed with the unit. I have been wearing it and I've been like, yes. Yes. So I am definitely impressed with this unit. I love the curls on it. So here's a little texture shot. Definitely a beautiful unit, and it matches my hair almost to a T. If I were to do a wash and go, this is how my hair would look if I diffused it. I don't really have any cons. I do wish it was just a little bit thicker in the crown area. It feels a little bit thinner to me, and I'm sure it was me, but I did have problems getting this side to lay flat with the got to be glued, but I'm sure trial and error, I'll improve on that. So let me go ahead and give you guys a 360.
Then I put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, I got it on, girl. See me falling.
Really impressed with this unit. If you are new to wigs, if you're new especially to human hair wigs, this was actually really easy for me to install. It is definitely a winner. So you guys let me know what you think of the wig, and of course if I forgot to mention anything, definitely leave it down below. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. And of course, make sure you wear it with confidence, ladies, and I'll talk to you in the next review.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen.